Hi, this is Olan Hodges, and this is my economic assessment for the application deployment that we are proposing. This is our Lab 1 economic assignment. This is for CIT 262 under Professor Drew Anderson. First off, this was a twofold mission for this project. One was to reduce cost, and the second was to improve customer service. This project attempts to achieves these goals by redeploying 500 CSR staff into the new system, which reduces our annual operational costs by 50%. And this also will improve the customer service representative efficiency by 30% for each CSR, which will greatly increase our customer satisfaction. Also, we can scale at a much reduced cost due to that efficiency. Currently, our costs, we are employing 1,000 customer service representatives with a salary of $39,000 with the burden calculated, which totals to $39 million. We also have 100 supervisors at $59,400 with the burden included. We have 100 of those, which that takes us to $5,940,000. Above that, we have line managers making $72,600 with 20 of those. We're spending $1,452,000. And with senior managers, we have 7 making $99,000 a year, which takes us to $693,000, which our 5-year total comes up to $283,326,249, which includes the inflation rate per year. The implementation costs for the first year, or year 0, the CapEx would be $16,296,000, which would include 500 PCs at $200,000 each for each customer service representative, 32 laptops at $3,000 each for managers, a server cluster totaling $200,000, implementation costs from the vendor, which is $10 million, software customization, which is $5 million, and the additional personnel onboarding, which I'll get into here in a bit, but that will total $479,384. There will be no additional OPEX in that first year. Now, the proposed costs years 1 through 5. Our CapEx will not increase for the first 2 years because we will have already purchased everything we need. But listed here are the OPEX costs for years 1 and 2 based on the inflation rate. Years 3, 4, and 5, we expect to see an increase of the customer service representative base by 10%, which the CapEx for these years includes PCs for them as well as the additional managers above them. So each of these will need to be purchased for the individuals. So the total cost for this project from year 0 all the way to year 5 is $151,585,424. This is just a quick cost analysis for our current rate of expansion as well as our current costs versus the proposed costs as well as the rate of expansion included in there. As you can see, there is a huge difference, and it allows us to scale much more efficiently in the years prior or the years after implementing this project. So my recommendation would be to go ahead and implement this project. Not only are we going to see happier customers, but we will also see greater savings, which we can pass on to our customers. The total savings for this project over the 5-year period is $148,036,824. This does include the CPI rate based on the past 5 years, basically. That's how we came up with that rate for the inflation. as well as the depreciation from the assets that we purchase, which allows us to add that to our taxable savings. I would like to thank you for your time, and hope this has been helpful.